In this video, you will learn how to buy a call option on Charles Schwab. First, log in. Log into your Schwab account. Go to your Charles Schwab website or app, then sign into your brokerage account. Go to the Trade Options section. Navigate to the Trade tab and choose Options to access the options trading platform. Enter the stock symbol. Type in the ticker symbol of the stock that you want to trade options on. Open the options chain. Select the options chain to view the available strike prices and expiration dates. Choose buy to open. Select your desired expiration date and strike price. Make sure that the action is set to buy to open. Enter order details. Choose the number of contracts. Remember, one contract is equal to 100 shares. Your order type, such as a market or limit, and review the total cost. Review and submit. Double check your order details. Make sure it is correct. Then click submit to place your call options order. Now you know how to buy call options on the Charles Schwab app and website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.